Hey Bell fans, this is Tim Ellis and welcome to another episode of Unboxing Your Bell. Today we're going to look at how your Bell machine handles steep hills and prevents rollback to take the danger out of those steep hills. We all know how dangerous steep slopes can be, but when last did you take your fully laden Bell machine up a steep incline and just take your foot off the accelerator pedal? Did you know that your Bell machine has got software built in that automatically calculates when the engine can no longer keep the machine from rolling back down the hill? At that point, it automatically calculates the pressure that needs to be applied on the brakes, applies them, and prevents the machine from rolling back down the hill. And if your machine doesn't have controlled brakes, the park brake applies. So let's go and have a look and see what that looks like in action. So welcome back to the cabin, and we're here going to take a look at the anti-roll feature here at Bell Equipment on our 20% incline test hill. So what we're going to do is we're going to drive up this hill and we're going to slowly take my foot off the accelerator pedal. We're going to watch the brake pressure applying. That's why we're on the specific diagnostic screen that you can see on your screen right now, and the brakes and retarders. We're going to take a look at the brake pressure and we're going to see how that clamps us and holds us and prevents us from rolling back down the hill. So let's go into drive and we're going to start heading up the hill. As I said, it's a 20% incline, which is quite a steep incline, especially for most torque converters. And what I'm going to do is I'm slowly going to take my foot off the accelerator pedal, and there you see the brake pressure increases and it holds us. And again, the beauty about this feature is that as I put my foot back onto the accelerator pedal, it prevents us from rolling back, allows us to just launch on up the hill, and no rollback necessary. Right, now that we've done anti-roll forward, let's see how that works even in reverse. So again, we're on the hill, I'm in reverse, and as you can see on the screen, the brake retarder pressure has fallen away. But as I take my foot off the accelerator pedal, we see that it applies, and as it does so, it prevents us from rolling back forward down the hill, and that would cause the vehicle to stall and may even cause more serious repercussions. The beauty about it is that, as we saw in forward, I can just touch my foot back on the accelerator pedal, the brake pressure falls away, and we're reversing up the hill without rolling back down the hill. What we're going to do now is we're going to see how anti-roll works in your gear shifting on a steep slope. Normally, when you're engaging the gear on a steep slope, your vehicle would roll, but not with a Bell. Here we're going to see I've got my foot on the accelerator pedal, reversing up the hill, up a very steep incline. If you see on the screen, we've got an output shaft speed. We're in -1, which is reverse, and I'm going to press the D button. Foot still on the accelerator pedal, and absolutely no movement, and there we go. Once it's in gear, we are allowed to move forward safely, absolutely no roll in either direction. Now what I'm going to do as we're rolling forward, I'm just going to hit the reverse gear. We're going to see the output shaft speed drop back down to 0, foot still on the accelerator pedal. Once we're in gear, we start reversing back up the hill. Awesome feature. So today we saw how steep slopes are no problem for your Bell. Whether you're going up a steep slope and taking your foot off the accelerator pedal or changing gears, you won't go running down the hill. And the cool news is I've personally tested the feature to 70% on an incline. It was awesome. So if you've enjoyed today, won't you like, subscribe, and we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, and until next week, keep unboxing your bell.